A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your English class. And today I'm gonna tell you an interesting story. So, are you all ready to listen that story? As you can see on my screen, there is a moon, golden, silver stars, and moon. I think the most amazing thing we find whenever we glance at the sky at night is the moon and the twinkling stars, isn't it? Whenever we are very close to nature, whenever we observe the sky, whenever we observe the greenery around us, the mountains, the river, it gives anyhow the immense pleasure to us watching that. Our soul becomes so happy, so blessed. So, today I'm going to tell you a story of moon. As we all know that the moon seems to be the most beautiful thing whenever we observe the sky at night, I'm going to tell you a story of moon and a little girl, Vani. A little girl, Vani. It is the night time and Vani's brother Ajay is eating dinner. But Vani is looking upset today and she is not in a mood to have dinner today. Now you must be wondering what has happened to Vani, why she is not in a mood to have dinner. Sometimes it happens whenever we are asking for something or when we are sad, we don't want to eat anything. So the same thing happened with Vani. She is not in a mood to have dinner today. Now the question arises, the grandmother of Vani gets curious to know why Vani is not in a mood to have dinner. Curious to know means जानने की इच्छा रखना. अब grandmother को ये हमारे घर में generally ऐसा होता है whenever we are not eating something, especially बच्चे अगर कुछ नहीं खा रहे हैं तो parents, grandparents they get worried and they will ask you कि क्यों नहीं खाना है. तो grandmother was curious to know why Vani is not in a mood to eat today. So grandmother asked Vani to get a round out of the house. राउंड मीन्स चलो थोड़ा सा बाहर घूम के आते हैं और बाहर चलते हैं. घर के पास वो उसे बाहर ले आती हैं. द ग्रैंड मदर टुक वानी आउटसाइड एंड आस्क्ड टू हैव अ लुक एट द स्काई. वानी surprisingly looked at the sky and she felt very happy observing those twinkling stars and the bright moon in the sky. The bright moon in the sky was looking beautiful with the twinkling stars. And Vani felt very happy. So, grandmother asked Vani, "Are you feeling happy?" Vani said, "Yes, I'm feeling very happy." Now, the grandmother asked Vani to have her dinner, and Vani said, "No, I don't want to eat anything." Grandmother said, "Why?" Vani said, "I want that moon." Now, the little child was trying to say, "I want to have that moon." And grandmother smiled and said, "Okay, I will get you the moon once you finish your food." Now Vani was very excited to listen that grandmother, my granny will definitely give me the moon. And she ran inside to have the dinner. See, ऐसा होता है बहुत बार. शी गॉट वेरी एक्साइटेड कि अब उसकी डिमांड, उसकी विश कंप्लीट होने वाली है, तो चलो ग्रानी की बात मान लेते हैं और फटाफट से जो अपना डिनर है वो फिनिश कर लेते हैं. तो वानी रैन इनसाइड बट अजय वॉज थिंकिंग, हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल, हाउ ग्रैंड मदर विल गेट मून फॉर वानी. अजय वॉज वॉन्डरिंग ओवर दिस. सो what grandmother did? Grandmother had an actually idea in mind. But Vani finished all her food and now grandmother went into the kitchen and brought a bowl of water. BOWL, ball, you understand? एक कटोरा या कटोरी. She brought a ball of water and asked Vani to follow her. Now Ajay was wondering what grandmother is doing. They all went outside. The grandmother put that ball of water in the garden and asked Vani to sit near it. Vani was very curious to know what actually will happen. Vani sat near the grandmother. As you can see in the picture, Ajay is standing here and very surprisingly he is noticing what grandmother is doing. Grandmother is sitting near to Vani and Vani is able to see the reflection of moon in the ball. See, it happens, students, whenever we observe sky and we find so many beautiful things, the question arises, why can't we have them? Why can't we touch them? Why they are very far from us? Why can't we have a look at them from near close distance? So this was the wish of Vani as well. She wanted to have moon. So grandmother showed the reflection of the moon. Reflection, you understand. Whenever we look into the mirror, we saw our image. हम देख पाते हैं ना खुद को मिरर के सामने खड़े होके. This is what? Our reflection. तो same happened. Water ball के अंदर Vani was able to see the reflection of moon and she felt very, very happy afterwards. Now, after looking Vani happy, grandmother also smiled. When we are happy, our parents, our grandparents automatically become happy looking at us. The same thing happened to grandmother also. She was able to fulfill the demand of Vani and that's why grandmother was also very happy. She had a cute and sweet smile on her face. Vani was smiling, grandmother was smiling, and even Ajay was also happy looking at this, that grandmother fulfilled the demand of Vani and Vani had finished the food and she was wondering over the beauty of moon. So this is all about the story of Moon and Vani. This is your new chapter, lesson 6 in your English reader books. I hope you liked the story. Now what you need to do is you just need to read the pages number 33 and 34 in your books. If you find any doubt in the story, you may ask me, and you need to do one more thing, read it thoroughly, and whatever the new words come across, you need to underline the new words also. Students, it's very, very important to pay attention towards reading, and whenever we read something, there are many new words which are added to our knowledge. Just underline them. So have a good day, students. See you in the next video.